Morning, students. Dear students, in this session, we will discuss I will do it. This is the reading C comprehension passage from Unit 1 of your English Reader. It's a highly inspiring write-up written by Sudhamurthy. Right. He was short, but was so sharp. He was the brightest boy in the class. Even his seniors approached him to get their doubts solved in mathematics and physics subjects. Such a wonderful brightness he did have. And this boy was preparing for IIT entrance examination. Can you expand IIT? Indian Institute of Technology. The institute that provides the best education in the field of engineering. And he set his aim to get studied in IIT. For securing a seat in IIT, an entrance examination has to be cleared with a high rank. This boy, along with his friends, would prepare themselves at a stone mandap near Chamundeshwari Devi temple. Where is Chamundeshwari Devi temple located? Yes, in the city of Mysore. Mysore is one of the best tourist places of India. There are many tourism spots such as Brindavan Gardens, Maharaja Palace, Jagan Mohan Palace, Mysore Church, and also a pilgrim spot, Chamundeshwari Temple. Right, the D-Day came. IIT entrance results came. The boy passed with a high rank. He secured the best rank to get studied in IIT. With utmost delight, this boy visited his father. By the time his father was reading a newspaper, Anna, his father did not hear in the beginning. He called again, Anna. Anna means father. Anna, I passed IIT examination. That's good, my child. But you need to understand the financial crisis being faced by our family. Do you know, I have 5 daughters to be married off. Also 3 sons to get educated. At this dire situation, I can't make both ends meet if I put investments on your studies. If you wanna continue your education, you stay in Mysore. Select any engineering college of your choice and study as much as you can. But I cannot afford to get you studied in IIT. I'm sorry, my dear child. The boy could say nothing. He stayed calm, but his heart was bleeding because he worked so hard to study in IIT. All his dreams were shattered, and it was the time all of his friends to take a leave of him. They secured seats in various engineering colleges in Madras. They were about to take Mysore to Madras train at a railway station in Mysore. The boy reached the station to give goodbye to them. All the boys were with great vigor and jubilation. But this boy was standing like a stone. It was raining then. The boys who got onto the train waved their hands. He, in response, waved his hands. Afterwards, he thought for a while. Only IITians do wonders, but not others? No way. Even I also can do so many wonders in my life. If IITians get settled in any job, why can't I provide jobs for IITians in my industry? Having thought it so, with utmost commitment, determination, perseverance, he worked hard. He set a team of his choice, and after all, a school teacher's son emerged as a pioneer of Indian software industry. He established the software company Infosys. He became the pioneer of Indian IT. IT means information technology. And he is none other than Nagavara Ramarao Narayanamurthy. In short, N.R. Narayanamurthy, the founder of Infosys. And this right up was written by Sudhamurthy, the better half of Narayanamurthy. That's all about I will do it. What's the motto of his? Powered by intellect and driven by values. That's all about the reading comprehension passage. I will do it. Now, dear students, get ready to face my questions. Will you?
Yes, sir.
And now, Vamsi, come fast. Who was the short boy mentioned in the reading passage? That's good. Go. What was the examination Narayan Murthy prepared for?
IIT entrance test, sir.
That's good. In which place Narayan Murthy and his friends would prepare for IIT entrance examination?
Stone Mandapa of Chamundeshwari temple at Mysore.
Good. Mysore, Chamundeshwari temple. Did Narayan Murthy's father allow him to study in IIT?
No.
How do Kannada people call father in Kannada?
Anna.
Good. Go. How was his heart feel when his father denied to get him study in IIT?
His heart was bleeding.
That's good. Go. Why did he go to railway station?
To say goodbye to his friends.
Good. What was the software company name which was established by Narayan Murthy?
Infosys.
That's good. Who was the writer of I Will Do It reading comprehension passage?
Sudhamurthy.
That's good. Sit down. What do you mean by philanthropist?
Social worker.
Good. Dear students, that's all about today's session. And tomorrow I will come up with yet another interesting topic. Until then, bye.